Hello everyone, this is Pubali Dotto. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about some tips and tricks to crack CLAT PG entrance. Many of you already know recently I cracked CLAT PG examination and got into Maharashtra National Law University. So let's start with this. First, you have to know yourself. You need to get the previous year question papers and solve the answers to understand the level of the examination in general. Then you have to point out your weaknesses, be it constitutional law or be it company law or any other subject. Point that out and cure the weakness first. Focus on the subject from the beginning, from day one. Do not keep it pending for doing it later on. Next, we all know to crack this examination, you have to read a lot of recent case laws. To cover this part, you have to strictly make a list every week, noting down the important Supreme Court judgments. And thereafter, you have to analyze the judgments in detail. But please do not read every Supreme Court judgment entirely. Point out the important parts or the paras of the case laws as per your syllabus and focus on those points. Also, you have to remember, please keep revising your basics too. You have to have a clear understanding of every sections and your basics to go on with case laws. Also, one more thing that you have to remember, that you have to cover both the basics and the case laws simultaneously. Do not focus on one thing and forget the another. You have to do it every day. You have to make time for both of these points to cover. Also, you have to remember, you have to attend mock test. You have to analyze the mock test to move forward. Because if you do not analyze them, there's no point really giving the mock test anyway. Also, please remember, while you are at it, please read the bare acts very carefully and thoroughly. Please do not miss any small points, even the small points in any of the bare acts, be it constitution law, be it any other law. Okay, I almost covered everything about my experience. Good luck to you all. If you are looking for tuitions for CLAT PG examination, you may contact me, or if you are looking for any other tuitions for any other entrance examination or law tuitions, you may also contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.